It has been observed that non-compliance with safety management rules has resulted in the death of many citizens and loss of property. Operators in the oil and gas business and security experts made this known while highlighting the significance of safety management system. Kazeem Olowe reports.
Implementing safety management systems may be a difficult task when the oil and gas companies operate in an environment with several human, cultural, technical and operational constraints that impact negatively on safe operations. Nigeria, a country with estimated population of about 200 million, is one of the countries in Africa where majority of our citizens pay little attention to safety management rules, especially around oil and gas facilities. Many now operate skid gas plants by the roadside, under electricity cables, at petrol filling stations, among others, without considering the safety measures and implications of their actions on the society.
Dispensing requirement is necessary because it will help us to advise if there's leakage of gas for it to be diffused before it can be ignited. And our requirement for spacing is there must be 15 meters from the end of any tank for LPG to the boundary, that means to the adjoining property.
Some are using just ordinary galvanized 2 mm galvanized pipes to install LPG installation. It's a bomb in waiting. So they don't have the knowledge. Somebody was selling kerosene before, just think that you can just go and start LPG because LPG is a in thing now. So government really need to work harder to save life and to save properties.
Companies are also expected to adequately analyze possible hazards of their operations and effectively manage their risk by obeying the laws. But unfortunately, many of them operate bakery and restaurants where they cook in a petrol filling station.
Look for an appropriate site and then we'll regularize them. Some of them are situated under high tension wire. For such ones, we seal them. Some are situated in front of houses. We seal them. We won't compromise safety. As much as we want more people to make use of gas within the country, and gas utilization has gone up, but we still want more. But we will not compromise safety for that.
The recurrence of fatal pipeline and petrol tanker incidents in Nigeria have gained global attention as a result of loss of life, water pollution, soil contamination, air pollution, destruction of the ecosystem, destruction of property and infrastructure. Security and safety experts identify lack of respect for robust safety management systems by operators as one of the major reasons behind it.
Because we have been using the kind of fire that is kind, so we don't also know that fire can be so violent, particularly when we are using this modern fuel like gas to make the fire. And that's why people are conscious and they are not, the way they have been handling their kind fire is the way they are also handling this fire that is more aggressive now.
The Department of Petroleum Resources says despite resistance and non-compliance by some operators, the agency is committed to enforcing and ensuring strict adherence to safety rules and regulations in order to reduce hazards in the oil and gas business.
Right now, even before now, we've been clamping down on them. Anyone we see that is really very unsafe, we've sealed quite a number. And like we told them today, we'll continue to seal them if they continue to operate in an unsafe manner.
Safety management systems are very important in the oil and gas industry because they help to improve the organizational safety, reduce accidents, reduce death and injuries. Kazeem Olowe, TVC News, Abeokuta.